Hey all, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session I am gonna to explain something about the loop called the very first loop is nothing but for loop. Based on that I have already uploaded some of the few videos whichever is different applying by different logic. Again, by today video session as well, I am going to explain the same for loop bit advanced level, right? So let me log in the system very first quickly, then I will go ahead. So here, I do remember last time I have written some of the script. In those script, I have given some example. Let me first look this so that I can say you which I written. Yeah, this is what I was looking. Wait. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write a script. Before that, I want to take these values. I want to take this value. This is nothing but my OS file systems, right? This is nothing but my OS file systems. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it. Then what I'm going to do, but before this, when I'm executing this script, what's happening actually? It's giving answer like this way, right? It's giving answer like this way. It means I given all the OS file systems so that it's filtering all the OS file system and giving me that result, right? Whether that file system is mounted or not, and mounted on which LV, and that file system size is how much, out of that how much is used, how much is available, how much percentage is used, usage, all those things is showing, right? But what I'm gonna do right now, that is nothing but I'm gonna to filter. What I'm gonna to filter? These all my file systems I given, so that it's filtering everything, right? What I'm gonna to do now, I'm gonna to do out of this, I want to filter one particular file system. Suppose /usr /boot /run media, any one or any two. I will give everything. In that I'll write a statement that is called if statement, which based on if statement I have given many more example by different logic in my last video sessions, right? Not only one time, multiple time I have given, right? So if you did not thorough about it, I would like to request you please first thorough about if statement, then come to loop, so that it is the proper procedure to learn the scripting thing, else it's no use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'll apply some statement. I'll write some statement. Based on that statement, my for loop is going to work out, right? So how it will work out, let's go ahead to do the same. What I'll do now, I will write something called something statement OS file system, OS data, something I written the script. What I'll give now, I'll give X value. I copied that, let me paste it. This is what all I'm looking, but I am going to filter it. I'm going to filter a particular file system, nothing else. So what I'll do here, I'll give statement, if statement I'll write. First very first I'll call that x value here, then I'll end the double protection here and give double equal to. What is the use of double equal to? Already I mentioned, but here also I am going to mention again. Double equal to is nothing but I am going to filter here something, right? So, and also you can keep in your mind, I am gonna to connect with two statement. I am going to connect with two statement. What two statement? The very first I am going to call the x value. I am going to call the x value. X, what is the x value here? X value I given multiple values I given, right? Multiple values I given. So if I will not write this x value, what it was showing us? It was showing the total file systems, all the file systems detail it was showing, right? What is the logic I am applying here? I am going to apply the logic here when my requirement is to find one particular file system detail. Right? So for that, first I am going to call the value of x. Second thing, which value I am going to call. Suppose I am going to call a particular one value. So what I'll give, suppose I'll call to Ron. I'll call to Ron. So it means here my requirement is two things. What two things? I am calling the value of x, and that too the value it should come only one particular thing, which is belongs to multiple values, My Ron also is available here, right? But I don't want to see anything. I want to see only Ron. Or take an example, suppose I want to see only /USR. So it will give me only USR values, right? So this is what all about it. When I'm going to attach two particular statement, okay, two particular value in if statement, that time we will write like this way. So for that, double equal to is usable here. Okay, now what I will do now, hit the enter key, come here, make sure when you are writing if statement, after if you need to give the then, right? So it should start like this way. Then what I'm going to do, capital TH, and this F I will close here, then this for I will close here. Then let's save the file and execute it. No, sorry, I written wrongly. Here you need to change somehow. Here, which I forgot to give. You need to call the value. Here. What you need to call? How? X. See, let me clear the screen so that it will be understanding for you. See, I given only USR. Now it's filtering the USR detail and giving me the USR file systems, right? So like according to the same way, if I want to filter two file systems, /USR/ROM, /USR/boot, or if I want to filter three file system detail, okay, according to the requirement you can do that. So that also I am going to show you. So let's go ahead to do it, no problem. Here the same thing, here also we can edit. So what I am gonna to do, it will be bit different way, okay, it will be bit different way. So here you need to give double file. Again here, what is the use of double file? I will mention it. What is the use of double pipe here? Double pipe is nothing but when you are going to attach two statement. That time instead of writing twice, you can write for a single line. You can write for a single line, and if you are writing a single line, that time you need to give double pipe symbol, so that it will work here the first, and then it will switch to this place, and according to this logic it will work. This is what all about, nothing. When somebody is asking or requirement is coming or question is coming to you, what is the use of double pipe, you can mention when our requirement is to filter the two things, and in that logic we are applying by if statement. Then if that is two statement, then we need to type in between that double pipe. Not only two. Suppose take an example, here you are writing 10 types. Here you are writing 10 different type of statement. Okay, by including that statement, okay, by how you will carry, okay, how you will carry, that is what my intention. Okay, for carrying that statement information in between one statement, you need, in between two statement, you need to write double pipe. You need to give double pipe. Take an example, if here I will write one more statement, in between that I need to give your double pipe. Again, after writing that statement, if I write one more statement, then here I need to give again double pipe. Then only it's going to work, else it will not, right? So this is what. Now what is this logic? This logic is nothing but, according to the first script, we filter only one file system data, isn't it? But for this script, what I'm gonna to do, I'm gonna to filter two file system data. One is /user, another one is /boot. This is what, nothing. When I change only this thing, okay. So you should remember this thing, you should keep in your mind, okay. It's very important thing. Now what I'm gonna to do, I'm gonna to save this. Now execute it. What is showing? Something error 4 and 9 line, right? So somewhere double quotation I forgot. No problem. We can see that. Where? Here. Here double quotation I did not end. So end the double quotation, then save the file and execute it. See, let me clear the screen so that you will understand. See, it's coming, right? /user and /boot as well, right? But here, if you want to do some different way, bit different, it will be, which will be bit understanding, good understanding. What you need to do, you just need to come here. You just need to come here. Here, echo double quotation, give something like that, then save it. Understood? So it's dividing. Here is giving one line. The first one is the /us and second one the /boot. Right? Hope you all are enjoyed this video session. I like to request you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so for that when I'm uploading new video session, you will be getting notification. According to that, you can upgrade your skill set. Thanks to each one for click this video.